In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Mona Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Mona Prep. Bible knowledge, complete this line from the King James Version of the Bible. The Lord is my shepherd.
I shall not want. I shall not want.
Correct. Mona Heights, Bible knowledge, complete this line from the King James Version of the Bible. The Lord is my light and my salvation.
Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear?
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, it's a visual question. Mona Prep, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Tanisha Ingleton.
Tanisha Ingleton.
Incorrect. Dr. Sapphire Longmore, Senator. Jamaican Affairs, it's a visual question for you also. Mona Heights, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Janice Allen.
Janice Allen.
Senator, that is correct. Science, Mona Prep. Free fall is the name for the downward motion of an object in which only one outside force is acting on it. What is the name of this force?
Gravity.
Correct. Mona Heights, Science, what is the name for a force tending to prevent the motion of bodies whose surfaces are in contact?
Friction. Friction.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Mona Prep, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Po.
Po. Po.
Incorrect. Mr. Ping from Kung Fu Panda. Television, a visual question. Mona Heights, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Po. Po.
Incorrect. Master Shifu from Kung Fu Panda. English language, Mona Prep, spell masquerade.
MASQUERADE.
Correct. English language, Mona Heights, spell scarcity.
SCARCITY.
Correct. Sports, a visual question. Mona Prep, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Veronica Campbell-Brown. Veronica Campbell-Brown.
Jamaican Olympian, that's correct. Sports, a visual question. Mona Heights, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Nesta Carter. Nesta Carter.
Jamaican Olympian, that's correct. Mona Prep, general knowledge, what name is given to the pouch in which a marsupial carries its baby?
Pouch.
Pouch.
Incorrect. Marsupium. General knowledge, Mona Heights, what name is given to cod-chewing animals?
Ruminants. Ruminants.
Correct. Mathematics, Mona Prep, what is the sum of 125.88 and 13.55?
139.43.
That's correct. Mona Heights, mathematics, what is the sum of 18.98 and 142.99?
161.97.
Your response didn't come in time. Would you like to try, Mona Prep?
Yes,
go ahead.
161.97.
That is correct. Music, Mona Prep, which local artist recorded the song Spanish Town Rockin'?
Chronics.
Chronics.
Chronics is correct, Mona Prep. Mona Heights, music, which local male artist recorded the song Welcome to Jamrock?
Damian Marley. Damian Marley.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, Mona Prep, who is the Jamaican ambassador to the United States of America?
Audrey Marks. Audrey Marks.
Correct. Mona Heights, Jamaican Affairs, who is the U.S. ambassador to Jamaica?
Nick Perry.
Nick Perry.
Correct. Science, Mona Prep, and we don't have time for any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Mona Heights Primary on 8 and Mona Prep also on 8, so it's a tie. Now, before we head to a break, here's a friendly tip from our friends at Guardian Achiever. Always pack your school bag, PE gear, and other items the night before to avoid rushing in the morning. A very useful tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.